Hello everyone, for this week's Code Club I'm going to introduce to you something called MIT App Inventor. So with MIT App Inventor what we can do is we can create Android apps. There's also an iOS option which I understand is in beta at the moment, but with this tool we can create Android apps, and as it says on the screen, with App Inventor anyone can build apps with global impact. So when we've created these apps, there's been 34 million of them built according to through this tool, according to this web page anyway, which is an incredible number of apps. Once they've been built, you have something called the APK, which is the Android package, and it can be uploaded to the Google Play store, and they are usable, and you have access to quite some functionality through this tool. It's block code. We don't need to know Java or perhaps the more advanced coding that we might with more professional tools, the tools that professionals would use, such as Android Studio. But this is an excellent introduction, I think. So yeah, anyway, so go to this web page. It's appinventor.mit.edu. You might be very familiar with the Scratch. Well, Scratch has a very similar URL, and that's because Scratch is also an MIT invention. Anyway, on the front page we have some tutorials, so step-by-step guides. There's lots of books available, but you can use these tutorials. They're a great starting point. These forums as well. In my next videos I'll do some I'll introduce some basic concepts too to you. But yes, click on these to get started. I will put the example or this link into YouTube. Now when you click, you have to click Create Apps at the top left. That's not too intuitive. It's quite a small orange button, but you click that and it'll take you through to this MIT App Inventor page. It'll ask you to log in with a Google address, with an email address. So also check with your parents while you're at home, much as if we were in the classroom at school. You know, we have some responsibility for you, but while you're at home, check with your parents that you can use your Google login, or you can create one, but absolutely check with your parents first. Don't do this without speaking to them. Just want to be very clear about that, and I'll put a note in YouTube as well. You will be sharing some personal data with this website. It does explain, bearing in mind this is an educational website, its focus is not on making money. This is a free app, a free service, but do check with your parents as you are children. Right, so you can see, as an example, when you create, you have this designer, you have created a button and some text, and then you have blocks, and much like Scratch, you click the different elements that you've created, and there's some block code available. So we have when button one clicked, do something. So you can imagine there can be some code in there. When button one click, move sprite left, or fire laser, or whatever it is you want to do. But yes, it's all block based code. Quite cool. If you're quite comfortable with Scratch, this is quite intuitive, I think. I'm also getting into this too, and next Lockdown Code Club I will show you what I'm working on. And yeah, okay, well, take care everyone, and see you again virtually next time.